Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Now today's celebration, Sustainable Gastronomy Day. Ever wondered how food can help fight climate change? On Sustainable Gastronomy Day, we're revealing the secrets to eating sustainably. Stay till the end to see how you can make a difference with every meal. Theme: Nurturing our future through responsible eating. On Sustainable Gastronomy Day, we celebrate how our food choices impact the environment, public health, and local economies. Sustainable gastronomy promotes responsible sourcing, supports local agriculture, reduces food waste, and respects traditional culinary practices. By embracing these practices, we nourish ourselves while investing in a healthier future. Sustainable food systems help build resilient communities, reduce climate change effects, and encourage responsible consumption. This movement reshapes how we view food, prioritizing local, seasonal, and organic produce to reduce environmental impact. It also celebrates cultural diversity through traditional dishes that highlight sustainable ingredients. Through education and action, we can create a global food system focused on sustainability, waste reduction, and community empowerment. Just a quick break. Please, if you find this educational and informative, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notification for more global events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. The power of sustainable gastronomy. Stories of impact, change, and inspiration. In the United States, Sarah, a chef and culinary educator, shares how she's been teaching her students about sustainable gastronomy for the past 5 years. Sustainability has always been a part of my cooking philosophy, but when I started teaching, I realized how few of my students were aware of the environmental impacts of their food choices. I've made it a priority to teach them how to work with local, seasonal ingredients, reduce food waste, and understand the importance of plant-based diets. Meanwhile, in Nigeria, James, a community organizer, works with small-scale farmers to promote sustainable farming practices. One of the biggest challenges here was convincing farmers to shift from conventional farming methods to more sustainable ones. But by introducing crop rotation, composting, and the use of organic fertilizers, we've seen significant improvements in both the health of the soil and the quality of the produce. To all those leading the way in sustainable gastronomy, thank you for your dedication. To the chefs, farmers, educators, and activists who are championing sustainable gastronomy, we thank you for your commitment to changing the food landscape. Your efforts are not only transforming the way we eat but also nurturing our planet and its people. By promoting sustainable food systems, you are empowering individuals to make better choices, supporting local economies, and contributing to the long-term health of the environment. On this Sustainable Gastronomy Day, we celebrate your passion and your tireless work in building a more sustainable and equitable food future for all. For those yet to engage, embrace sustainable gastronomy today. If you haven't yet embraced sustainable gastronomy in your life, now is the perfect time to start. Whether you're a chef, a consumer, or someone who cares about the environment, there are simple ways to make a positive impact. Start by supporting local farmers, choosing seasonal produce, reducing food waste, and exploring plant-based options. By making small changes in your eating habits, you can contribute to a larger movement that prioritizes sustainability, health, and environmental stewardship. Happy Sustainable Gastronomy Day. May we continue making responsible food choices that contribute to a sustainable future. Let's raise our glasses to toast and celebrate the unsung heroes of sustainable gastronomy. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 19th of June, International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict. The 20th of June, World Refugee Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.